Here we are. I don't know what round this is. Might be 3, 4, 5 probably. But anyways, here we go. I'm gonna get into Dodge over here. I love their trucks. Just a transmission. So taking some pictures of the stuff on my Facebook and my calendar. I pick and choose. So here's a cool. I like that one. That's nice. Little bastards. Oh my goodness. Ram, man. I like cab and a half. They're hard to find. You got to get a special order from the factory. Same with Ford. You can, but I like cab and a half. I get an F-250, 2500 gas. Yeah, a lot of these blues. You can see a lot of these blues. So they're getting they're pushing out. So. There it is. So, nice. Yeah, that's a nice Ram right there. That sucker's kicking some ass. I do like the room in there. They're nice. They want for this rig $91,000. Oh. I like these. These are cool. I think that's a good idea. It's a nice pig right there, absolutely. Dodge Brothers would be proud, man. I'm getting into Subaru. Get over to here. Oh, I got the dogs. Yeah, so there he is. He's tired. Yeah, he's tired. Talking paws.
Like, is that the stinger?
He was like tired. Little sports car right there, and right there. Oh yeah, my favorite color right there, red. Ah yes, Denali, GM. What do they always say? Professional grade. Yep. They're nice vehicles. They're expensive, but they're good. But here's that little. They were just in that sports car. That couple was. Nice little vehicle. Yeah, these are nice. Very, very nice. Buick. Tiger Woods behavior. I miss the Oldsmobiles and the Pontiacs, but after the 2008 crash, they got rid of those, and Saturns made really good vehicles. Those are made in Tennessee, and they use that excuse of crash to get rid of it because they were non-union. They made good vehicles. My mom had one when she died. She loved that thing. They made them really cool. Go on YouTube and watch how they make Saturns. There was a platform. So here's a Hummer EV, another one we saw before. The old black. The Avenger, huh? Just in vehicle. I'd make that into a nice two-door. I'd make that into a convertible. Big dog, huh? Oh my goodness. And of course they've got this as a waste of good suffering, as I can go and you cruise around the track and go up and over. Kind of a waste of time, but I guess people pay to do it, so I go up and over and wait in line. So nice. Arcadia. All right, we get over here to the AT4 GMC. Oh, I like this interior. Very nice. Electrical future, Nissan. Oh, you see they're coming there. He's coming down the hill there. That's a nice vehicle. That thing is solid. See how good I can fit in there. Probably not. I mean, right now the seat probably is up, but still, it's, you know, kind of nice. Oh yeah.
The pedals, relax my hands on the steering wheel, and allow the vehicle to assist me with the flow of traffic.
Yeah, I'm not good. I'm not no self. The thrill of speed.
Just activate the auto hold. You can
There you go, look at that.
the brake pedal, and then when you're ready to go again, just hit the accelerator.
Just a plain Jane looking vehicle right here. I don't know if I think you got to sign a release. I'm not going on that. Not worth it. Get in there and drive it around. Show your driver's license. What if you've got two WIs? You know, that's I don't. All new 2020 Nissan Murano. Let's see. So yeah, it's kind of an underwhelming. What do you want to call it? Adventure here. I mean, it's fun, but there's nothing special. All right, but interesting. Saw this one before, so the Ram, the blue one. Kind of a nice truck. Oh, no. Have an interesting Jeep. They should bring back the PT Cruiser and put a 6-cylinder in that sucker, a better turn radius. Do it like a 2-year run. I love my PT, my fag car, but it's just turn radius. I'd put a 6-cylinder in there. That's what I would do. Fun little car. I loved it. My sister-in-law had a Jeep. She liked it. See, the gas mileage should be much, much better. Much, much better. What's it going for? $65,000. Jesus. That bad boy. Yeah. So this kind of looks like it's the it. I mean, not much going on here. The luxury one is over in the other area over there. This is the driving today at the show. Okay. But anyways, my next videos will come up will be St. Martin, you guys. Those will coming up after this montage of the auto show here, 2025. Basic little car right here. Oh, we need the guy over there. So, free rides. You can go up here and up the hill and down the hill. So, all guests, riders, passengers must be 40 inches tall to ride. Receive no food, drink. I want to have my food, drink in there. I want to bring my grain belt in there. So I'm not gonna waste any good stuff around that. It's a waste of time. So anyways, guys, so I hope you enjoyed it. The kind of lackluster 2025 Minneapolis St. Paul Auto Show. So the Wagoneer here looks like. So we'll end it as we watch this guy come down the hill here. So now they want to go up. And there they go. Go. Up he goes. Up a daisy, baby. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. $115,000. See ya in St. Martin.